All right, starting a new series today, I'm going to build 5 apps live with Zenflow, each one a real business, and we're going to start with app 1 right now. I had this app idea just the other day. Basically, I want you to be able to type a description of yourself. It sends it to AI, it generates a photo based on the description you sent. Then you upload an actual photo of yourself, and it scores how well your description actually matches what you look like. Then it will give you a description that would more accurately describe what you look like. This could be humbling, potentially. But I really like this app idea because it's very shareable. This is something that could definitely, you could post on Facebook and people would be interested in it. I think, too, that it's also something people are curious about is, how in words would you describe what you look like? And without AI, this would take me weeks to do. Weeks to write all this, but I'm going to do it here in Zenflow in just one video. Let's get going. So we have a repository here. We're going to call this app SelfieScore, and we can use whatever model we want. I'm going to use Opus 4.7. Then I'm going to use the requirements first workflow. So usually when people build a, made with AI product, they just jump right into coding. But one thing I like about Zenflow is we're going to spec it out first so that it's more accurate and it's done better. So just going to describe what I'm looking to build. All right, so we're going to get going on this. Start. You can see the task goes over here under SelfieScore. And again, if I just put this straight into Claude Code, it would get going implementing, and it might not build it exactly how I want. But one thing with Zenflow's workflows is it starts with the requirements. So we're going to get really clear on the requirements, the technical specification, the planning before we start implementing. So the requirements phase is done. You can see it created a requirements.md describing how the app works. So this is a text document. So I can go in, and if I don't like what it's actually going to build, I can go ahead and change it. Okay, it looks like it has all the features I want. So now let's go to the technical specification. So what's the actual tech stack that we're going to use to build this? So, and while this is building, I could go do another task, do some research on the best way to get traffic to the SelfieScore app. So I can get those 2 agents running in parallel here. All right, so now the technical specifications are done. So it's going to, it's writing it in TypeScript. I could change any of this if I wanted to, but I don't really care how it builds it. So actually a couple changes. So this is where it's nice. It gave me the technical specifications, and I actually have a couple changes I want to make. I want to use the Gemini API to generate images. Nano Banana just works better, in my opinion, than OpenAI. Let me know in the comments if you disagree. And I want to use AWS Rekognition compare faces for the face comparison. So I didn't like everything about the spec it put together. I had a couple specific technical requirements that I had, so I can just have it change it before we start going. Again, this would have been really annoying in Claude Code if it just built it using OpenAI, and then I have to go back in and say, oh no, actually I want to use Gemini, and have to redo a whole bunch of it. This is like in carpentry. They say measure twice, cut once. That's what we're doing here. All right, so made the changes. Going to use the Gemini API and the AWS Rekognition compare faces. So we got our requirements, got our tech spec. Let's go on to planning. Our other agent still doing some research, wants to understand the app before it figures out how to actually market it. That's one of the things I love about AI. I can build the app while I'm researching how to market the app. All right, so the plan is complete, and it broke it down into a bunch of starting things that we need to do. So let's go ahead and just get started on those. So we finished the repo scaffolding and tooling, and we're going on to the bootstrap schema. It did some research. So it did a bunch of searches. You can see what all it searched, how to get traffic to AI selfie rating app marketing strategies 2024. So it took all these, and then it compiled it into a marketing strategy. So again, while it's building, I can kind of chat here and put together a marketing plan once it's built. All right, it's been going for about 5 minutes. I just turned on auto start, so it's already made it through the session store, provider adapters, API routes. As you can see, there's quite a few files created, so we have our file structure and everything, but I'm just going to let it keep going, and we'll see what turns up. All right, so I let this just auto run for about 20 minutes, and it got it all set up. It went through each of these. I turned on auto start, so it just went through all of these. You can see that we have created quite a few files now, so this is like a full project, and I think it is probably ready to go. So what I want to do is I want to deploy to Vercel. So I just want to get this public so you guys can check it out. I did have to create a Gemini API key and an AWS key, but I didn't want you to see those so that you can't use them. All right, so I did Vercel launch, and now we have a URL. So you guys can go check this out. This is the app that we made. So type a description. We'll generate an AI portrait. So he used me as the example. Let's do a nice looking red-haired man with blue eyes. That's good enough. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, yeah, I don't know. That's close. It's close. So now I'm going to upload an actual photo of myself, and we'll see what score I got. So 53, so loose match. So I think that's pretty accurate. There we go. So I'd say a total of about 30 minutes that it took. And again, we went all the way from requirements all the way to the full implementation to being launched on Vercel. So I'll leave this link down below. You can go check it out. This is app 1. I'm planning to build 5 apps in 5 videos. So if you have ideas, let me know in the comments on what I should build next. If you would like to try out Zenflow for yourself, that's this tool here. I'll leave a link to that down below as well. Thank you guys, and have a great rest of your day.